Alright, language explorers. So, let's have a look at Saturday's phrasal verb. So, pull back. Whoa. Get out the way from a place. Whoa. Pull back. Whoa. Yes. Get out and away. Whoa. I will pull back from that place. We need to pull back. Pull back now and go away. Can you pull it back? When they pull back, there will be more time. When they pull back, yeah, quite important. We need to pull back and go home. Yes, we can't stay here. We can't stay here. We have to pull back. We can't stay here. We have to pull back. Yeah. We pulled back earlier. We pulled back anything. We pulled back and turned around. That we were going the wrong way. We pulled back and turned around. We were going the wrong way, so we pulled back and turned around. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, I'm not sure how to pull back. Do we pull back to the left or pull back to the right? But when we do pull back, which way do we then go? I might be lost. Might be lost, yeah. When we do pull back, I'm not sure which way to go. I might be lost. Yeah. They will be pulling back in the autumn. Yeah, we think that they will pull back today, but it depends on the weather. Yeah, pull back and go away, go a different way, return and come back another way. Yeah, so language explorers. Can you use pull back in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nancher. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.